us travelers? Today we're back at the New York Auto Show in New York City. Let's see what's new for 2026. Let's go. Alright guys, now we're going to do some Jeep. Last year we did it. Let's hope we get like the same driver or something. We're going to have so much fun.
We are taking off now. Our first obstacle, this is called the POV. We will sit here for a second. Oh, my bad. This is why I'm watching both cameras at all times. We are going sideways here. We were going 40 degrees. Hey William, tell Nick I said my bad. I'm gonna text him too. Just tell him Corey said my bad. Cause I stopped on him because somebody else stopped on me. I'm ready? Alright. We are taking off right here. Dropping. I'm on the brake. I'm in manual 2. And I'm in 4 low.
This is the car I loaned to the show. Just kidding. It's the one that I'm planning to. Konensek's back, but there's 2 this time. These are some nice RRs. Never seen a Bentley race car before. This one's cool because of the designs. It's new for this year. It's called a Zenbo and it's a Danish supercar brand. Looks so cool.
Cats with IoT in this.
I want to check out some Subarus.
Instant electric acceleration takes you from 0 to 60 in just 5 seconds. While spacious and swift, capability isn't sacrificed. It's standard. Symmetrical all-wheel drive. But above all, your family's safety always comes full tank.
This is a new prototype.
Our most capable hybrid has arrived. It's a Subaru Wilderness Hybrid. It's all-wheel drive from the start.
This is my type of Subaru.
Subaru is rated #1 in safety.
I've always wanted to ride in that. Brought to us by Rescue Dogs Rock NYC.
Hey, if we can ask you to step out, we have to let us in.
2, 1.
Have a seat spot. And with the crowd's participation, at the count of 3, the last thing we're going to tell the spot is to roll over. 1, 2, 3. Roll over, spot. You've earned your rest. You have earned your break. Throw the legs in the air. Awesome.
This must be the hot new color this year. Taxi. Oh, my ride's here. We're gonna hit on the EV track and hit the Polestar. It's gonna be awesome. The Cadillac had a little crash. Oh my god! It feels like Top Fuel 2 all over again! Oh my god! That feels like Top Fuel 2 all over again! Oh my god! We just did the Polestar EV track. That thing was like so fast. It was like in a blink of an eye. It goes 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds. That thing is insane. If you get a chance to ride the Polestar, just do it. Do it. Do it. Now we're going to do the Toyota test track. We're about to get on the Toyota Supra test track. We waited an hour. Hope it's worth the wait.
All right, how you doing today, man?
Good.
Cool. I'm good, thank you. Okay, so I take it you guys have gone into this thing to go fast.
All right.
As soon as they go, I'm just gonna launch it right off. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hey, brakes work great.
Oh,
Little Tokyo drift.
sharp turns.
Nice.
Oh my god, that was my first real drift.
There you go. It's a lot easier with the ball tires. Not bad for 31,000. And you can also get this as a stick shift. A 2.5 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder gets 228 horsepower.
All right, so I thought it was a Supra. That's my bad. It was a GR86. Still really cool. It was actually smaller than a Supra. That was so awesome, and I did my first real drift. It went like. All right, guys, that was the New York Auto Show. Hope you enjoyed. My favorite experience was probably the Supra. That thing was awesome. Dell, what was your favorite? The Jeep. Hers was the Jeep. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Close me in.